Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to contact YouTube live chat support. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser and on the search bar simply type in YouTube live chat support. Once it loads, what you need to do is tap on the first link that is shown to you. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll down, and here you'll find your option for your Android phone or your computer or your iPhone or iPad. Simply select your option. Let me just select iPhone or iPad. Now simply tap on chat option. Now here you can select the chat, see the chat language and the hours of operation. What you need to do is scroll down, tap on support.google.com.youtube. Now here what you need to do is just simply scroll down, tap on contact us. Now here just type in your problem. Let me just type in login and then tap on next, and here you'll find an options. Simply tap on other and then tap on next step, and here all you gotta do now is tap on next step once again, and now you'll find the option to chat with the agent of the YouTube and then simply resolve your problem. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.